do the calendar selection by using JavaScript executor. So let me just go here and show you that we learned something calendar test. Yeah, this was the one in which we used outer loop and inner loop, right? So we did this, and then in the outer loop we were iterating, right? We initiated flag false int row equal to 2 to 7, whichever row we want to iterate on, right? This would be the outer loop, and this was the inner loop, which would take each column basically, and from 1 to 7 where the row columns are. So, and if we found it like through the XPath, you can see that this is the XPath, that way this is dynamic XPath with the row and column changing, right? So then we found the text of it, the driver find element text, and then if the text match the equal date which we want to pass, right, in this date. So if it equates this one, then basically it would find that XPath, and it would click that, and flag would be true, and flag is true, it would break and it would come out, right? This is how to do. So this is a lengthy approach basically, so we don't want this lengthy approach. So there's a method called using JavaScript executor method also, we can do the same thing. So here we have a driver initiated new driver instance. So driver.manage.delete cookies, and then maximize, and then here we have used page load timeouts and implicit dynamic waits, and then we're trying to get the IRCTC website. So I want to show you that when we go to IRCTC's website, so we can see here train search, right? So you can see the format in which this is there. So I'll just inspect this element, see what this is. We go here, we see that the class is this. So basically I create an XPath, store this element over in this element, and then I create this method called set date by JS, right? So in this I take driver and element, and then date. Date is the date that we are passing, element is the element where we want to click, right? So we have already saved this element, right, date container. So yeah, so then we create a JavaScript executor class, JS is equal to, then we just topcast it into JavaScript executor, this driver instance, and then js.execute script arguments 0.set attribute value. Okay, this is under single quotes, comma, then single quotes, and then double quotes, plus date. Date is a date that we want to add, right? So this would inject that into the DOM, and then the element that we want to inject it on, right? So we execute this, and when we run it, so it maximized this, use the train search, and so yeah, past 28/10/2023, didn't change it as such. So it didn't change as such, we didn't get any error as well. So yeah, we need to see like what the issue is here. So that's it for this video. We can, I think this is the different format in which we are passing, so we need to check that, and I'll upload this video again once more. Thank you.